In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable automatic Windows updates in Windows 10, and no matter which version of Windows are you using, you can use this method in all Windows versions. So just click on Start, then type Services. Open Services and find out Windows Update. Double click on it and Startup type. So select Disable. Then apply, then OK. If it's running, so you need to click on stop. Now close it and restart your PC. So guys, by this simple and basic method we can know how to disable automatic Windows updates in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.